Hello, my name is Logan Murphy, and for this video, we're going to be learning American English with Super Mario Odyssey. This video covers the introduction cutscene of the game. Throughout the video, listen for words like through and through. They might sound alike, but they look different and have different meanings. If you do find this video helpful, please leave a like. I'd really appreciate it, and it would help spread this video to other people like yourself. So without further ado, let's go. In the skies above Peach's castle, Mario and Bowser fight. Bowser is wearing a white top hat and a white suit. Bowser shoots a fireball with his mouth. The fireball misses Mario. This is the end. For you! Bowser threw his hat. Bowser's hat knocks off Mario's hat. Bowser's hat hits Mario off of Bowser's ship. Peach yells, "Mario!" Mario's hat floats through the air. Bowser stomps Mario's hat. Time for my wedding with Peach. Jealous, Mario? Bowser laughs. Bowser's ship flies away. The ship's propellers shred Mario's hat. Cappy catches Mario's hat with his hand. Thanks for watching my video. Since you made it this far, do consider subscribing to my channel and enabling alerts. That way you'll find out immediately when I release new content. I'll see you next time. Bye!